Okay, here's the final rendition of the kitchen. I'll do a quick overview and then we can get into some of the detail. 13-inch tall drawer on the bottom. This upper cabinet comes out 25.5. These bases are 24, so the countertop dies into the side of this. Double ovens. Cooktop, we should be able to get a really shallow drawer under the cooktop. Microwave, we cannot make this cabinet any deeper because the max depth above this microwave is 13 inches. The depth of the cabinet case is 12, plus the thickness of the door is 12 and 13/16. So this is all on the same plane. Full depth, you can see these two have the clipped corners, glass doors, and it ends about 4 inches from the end of the wall. Fridge leg, this all fits fine. This is 26.25 deep, same depth as this. This is 25.5, plus the thickness of the doors of about 13. So this will actually be 26.25. This is 26.25. Dishwasher, drawer stack to the right. This cabinet is clipped, as you can see in the picture. 4 doors, equal space, equal width doors. Drawer stack, sink, drawer stack. This drawer will be about 2 inches shallow because of the plumbing. This middle drawer only. Clipped corner, and this wild upper cabinet here with all of this craziness going on. Equal space from the edge of the window to the cabinet on either side. So if we look at, let's see, how are we going to do this? This cabinet here is, well, let's start with this one. We'll just start over here and work our way around. This cabinet has the back corner clipped off, so it doesn't protrude into this cabinet. That's the outline of the cabinet. The corner's clipped off. So if we're going to do that, those drawers are cut short because we only have so much on this side. These are about 14-inch deep drawers. This is a pretty small little cabinet. 3D view of just this cabinet, about 8 inches. This cabinet's standard size, whatever that means. It's square. The corners aren't clipped. This is the same thing as this, only mirror image. This cabinet here, corners clipped, adjustable corners clipped off, adjustable shelf. And then this cabinet's has not been modified. These upper cabinets obviously have the corner clipped, as you saw in the first rendering. And these guys over here look something like this. And then this one to the left of your window, quite modified. This cabinet sinks into the cabinet. That's a face frame, and then the hutch base cabinets. Pretty straightforward. Same height as the kitchen, 20 inches deep. All right, take a look at that, and then if that's all good, I mean, nothing's changed except for just adjusting some cabinets here and there to make them fit after the final measurement, but the overall scope or style of the cabinet hasn't changed from what we ended on originally. But if that's all good, I will give you elevation views. This is an elevation view with some more measurements on it for them for the electrical. All right, thank you.